You with 4 different hairstyles, Instagram chain story. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. So here as you can see, I already added my Instagram story chain with 4 different hairstyles and I will show you how to do it too. So from here you just have to go back, so I will go back, and then from your page you just have to click on the search icon from the bottom of the page and search for my account, which is Ali and John YTT. So it's this account right here, and from my profile page you have to click at highlight to story trends. If you go to my story, my stories will expire in just a few hours, so it's better for you to go to story trends from highlights. So click on that, and from here you just have to click until you find the desired sticker. So there we have it, you with 4 different hairstyles. Click on add yours button, and from here you just have to click on the upload button from the left bottom corner and search for some photos, 4 different photos with 4 different hairstyle with you. So I will just choose one random photo. I will go with this photo right here because this is just an example for you guys. If you want to add multiple photos, so let's say that you added this photo, right, with one hairstyle. If you want to add the second photo, you just have to click with the both fingers on the photo, on the first photo, and make it smaller and place it in the left top corner. And after that, to add the second photo with your different hairstyle, you just have to click on sticker. Then from here you have to swipe down and you have to click on this plus icon next to the camera. If you go here, then we'll go again to your gallery, and you have to choose the second photo, place it where you want. Like I said, you have to use your both fingers. And then again, you have to click on the sticker icon, click on the plus, and then add another photo. So I will go with this one again. This is just an example, like I said, guys. Yeah, so from here, you just have to click on the sticker and it will be at the front, and from here you can make it smaller or bigger. So like I said, this is just an example for you, that's why I didn't make it so beautiful like the thumbnail. Okay, so now we just have to click on send to once you are happy with your story, and then click on share to your story and then hit on done. So yeah guys, that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can like this video and you can also subscribe to our channel. And if you have some questions, you can go ahead and ask them in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.